Foleum is the world's first community designed to make it easy for everyday people to get involved in blockchain mining while drawing power from a hybrid of green energy sources. Get involved today at foleum.io.
What's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys, with another great giveaway. It's the ultimate cryptocurrency GPU mining giveaway, sponsored by Foleum, ASUS, and Zotac. Guys, this is going to be the epic giveaway. Over here to the left, this is the grand prize, -2 t-shirt. This entire table you see right now is the grand prize. This is a complete 6-card GPU mining rig. This includes a 1600 G2 power supply, which will give you plenty of power to mine any coin you ever want to mine. We're going to include an ASUS B250 mining expert motherboard with this. You're going to get 3 high static pressure Delta fans, server fans. There are the 6 ASUS Radeon RX 570 graphics cards that are included with this, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, all of the wire components you're going to possibly need, which will be this guy, also your HDMI extender, and all of your riser cards. We'll have 6 riser cards, and of course we'll include a Foleum t-shirt in there for you guys and maybe some stickers. This is the grand prize. Okay, so you guys gotta make sure to sign up, go through all the steps, like and share. This is a killer grand prize. All right, what is this I see over here? Second place? Second place gets a 1080 Ti from Zotac. All right, guys, that is a 1080 Ti. You heard that right, from Zotac. Look at it, wait a minute, there's 2 of them. That's the third prize. So that means second place is getting a 1080 Ti, third place is getting a 1080 Ti. Oh my gosh. Now, what's the box we see here? This is a special prototype box that holds 10 graphics cards we just had made. It just got delivered. We haven't even had a chance to put a rig in it to test it out. There's only 2 of these available. One of them's up for grabs inside of this contest. It also comes with an ASUS Mining 250 motherboard, the expert motherboard. So you guys have the basic setup. This is a really cool case. And then our 5th prize is going to be a Zotac 1050 Ti. This is the 5th prize, the 1050 Ti, guys. This is an incredible prize bank. This is only the top 5 prizes. Well, guess what? There's a lot more coming than that. You're gonna win, there's gonna be the 6th prize, which will be a t-shirt and a $25 paid in crypto. There will be all the way from 6 to 10 is $25 paid in crypto. Then you're gonna have from 10 to 15, which is going to be one of these awesome Foleum t-shirts, guys, right here. So there's going to be 15 prizes in total. This again was sponsored by Foleum as well as ASUS and Zotac. So I really appreciate the sponsors, guys. Make sure to sign up down below. There's going to be plenty of opportunities and plenty of prizes. Talk to you guys later on. Thank you again.